My name is Kane Wilkerson. I'm a facility manager for Parks Companies. The roof we had in Huntersville was about 26 years old, so it was definitely in need of some love. We had several leaks that were popping up throughout the whole entire building, and it was also just very discolored, and it was really showing a lot of gray areas, and it showed a lot of age as well. So we had a couple meetings with MBA Roofing, and they seemed like a great fit. I loved the small family office heritage that the company started with, and just talking to their team, it was very clear they were knowledgeable and they were the right fit for the project. Working with MBA Roofing was great from start to finish. They were very professional. They answered the phone with any questions we ever had. They showed up on time, and they definitely knew the process. It's given us a lot of confidence. A lot of what we do relies on looking great for the public. We're in the automotive industry. Appearances are important. And with this shingled roof that we replaced, it really looks great, looks brand new, and helps with our overall brand. Customer morale and the employee morale is a lot stronger. They're not dealing with leaks anymore. You know, we had workbenches that were getting leaked on, so the staff feel a lot better about that as well, that their tools will not be damaged with water intrusion. And just from a cosmetic perspective, you know, damaged ceiling tiles and things to that effect are not a concern anymore. I would highly recommend MBA. I've worked with several companies throughout my career, and they continue the process from start to finish with professionalism and a lot of urgency, and we're very satisfied with the end result.